Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 6, and our today's topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 1, Discussion. So dear students, let's see the board. Class 6, subject Islam and Moral Education, term half yearly 2022. Lecture number 1, SW number also 1. And SW topic, making knowledgeable question, any 5 from lesson 1. Teacher's name Mokter Hossain. This is my mobile number and today's date. So dear students, let's start our today's topic. Topic Chapter 1, Lesson 1, Discussion. Before starting the class, I would like to say that, dear students, in Chapter 1, Lesson 1, there are many sentences, but we will discuss most important sentences. So let's start. Aqaid. Aqaid is an Arabic word. It is plural, which means beliefs. Its singular form is aqidah, which means belief. Belief or faith in the fundamental aspects of Islam is called aqaid. It means to keep faith in Allah, prophets or messengers, angels, akhirat, taqdeer, heavenly books, the hereafter, etc. Now, Tawheed. Tawheed is an Arabic word. It means monotheism. Dear students, I repeat, monotheism. Monotheism means oneness. Tawheed or monotheism is to believe that Allah is one and the only. He is the only one to create, sustain, and provide livelihood. Such faith in Allah is called Tawheed. Dear students, now identity of Allah. Allah is one and only. He is not only one as an entity, but also unique in attributes. He has no equal. He is not begotten by anyone, nor is anyone begotten by him. None is comparable to him. Nothing can be compared to his qualities. He himself is his comparison. Now the term significance of Tawheed. We can see various kinds of things around us. For example, animals, birds, flowers, fruits, rivers, hills, mountains, forests, oceans, the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. All these are parts of the creation. A creator must have created these. Almighty Allah has created these. He has created these for the welfare of mankind. Dear students, I repeat, He has created these for the welfare of mankind. That means for us. So, we should worship only Allah through obedience to Tawheed or monotheism. Now, importance of faith in Tawheed. The most important thing in Aqaid is the belief in Tawheed or monotheism. The main basis of Iman and Islam is Tawheed. All the messengers have made the invitation of Tawheed. All of them have declared that Allah is one and second to none. Nothing can be compared to Him. Dear students, if you don't understand any topic, you can contact with me. Now your SW number 1 and your SW topic will be making knowledgeable question with answer from lesson 1, any 5. But one has been done for you, such as what does Aqaid mean? And the answer will be Aqaid is an Arabic word. It is plural form. It means beliefs or faiths. So dear students, that's all for today. I think you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.